who is going to present his thesis for discussion, which is not only formality of PhD, but the award of PhD degree. Nawal Kishore sir, he has been associated with our department for the past decade. And he's a very important decade. He used to come very regularly. He's a very learned teacher, associated with so many organizations within the country and also outside the country. And also that this will continue our association with such a learned teacher. I will ask Professor Mr.
Thank you so much, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Faculty of Commerce, Professor Javed Alam Khan sir, Honorable Chairman, Professor Ziauddin Khaiwala sir, my examiner, Professor Nawal Kishore sir, from the School of Management, IGNOU, Dr. Mohammad Ashraf Ali, my senior faculty member, my dear friends and colleagues, Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. Today is my PhD thesis presentation on the topic corporate product and distribution strategies in Indian life insurance industry. Before proceeding to the other slides, I would like to give a conceptual definition about the corporate product. What is actually corporate product? Actually, it is terminology interchangeable word with the group insurance, which first recorded policy in 1911 in US. Actually, it is very famous in Western countries, but now it is as Asian countries now moving for the insurance industries, and now we have 24 private insurance company and one public sector insurance company, LIC. So it is very important to discuss this topic, corporate product and distribution strategies in the life insurance industry. Before proceeding to other slides, I would like to give some outline of presentation, what I am going to present here today. First of all, brief, just pinpoint introduction, statement of problem, objective, hypothesis, scope of the study, significance of the study, limitation of the study, delimitation, research gap, methodology, method of analysis, finding, conclusion and recommendation, implication of the study, research conclusion, and last, recommendation for further studies. Introduction. Actually, I gave this background how I selected this corporate product and distribution strategies for my research, because nobody in today's scenarios aware of these policies. Everyone knows about the individual policies, money back policies, endowment policies, every policy, but no one knows about the group insurance policy, which is beneficial for corporate or small scale firms and companies. So, some people do not need the undertaking why insurance policy, even we know that insurance policy exists for everyone, every sector of the society. Either we are talking about the corporate peoples or either about the individual persons or women or children. But we do not need the undertaking of these policies, especially the group insurance policies. Why they are not interested? Unfortunately, if we are talking about the group insurance, this is the neglected part of this industry, insurance industries. And why they are neglecting? Because they are getting fed up of this process, long process to buy these policies, and that's why they stop pursuing it. People perceive that they will give a good service, but unfortunately insurance company do not give well service to the insured person or in paying the claims. What we can do to ensure the customer are satisfied with the product. Check out the way how it is delivered to the customers. In my research, my customer is small size companies, and what customers wants, customer has specific needs, expectations, and perception. What are the basic criteria for the customer satisfaction is therefore the company knows the customer needs and their expectations. What are their needs and what are the expectations? So investigation of the relationship between service provision and how it is delivered to the customer. Either he is satisfied with the service provided by the insurance company. So our main problem of this study to answer the question, are group life insurance satisfied with that service delivery of the distribution channel of life insurance company in India, with much emphasis on agent and corporate agent. So my present study is concerned about the corporate product and distribution strategies in Indian life insurance industry with an agent and a corporate agent. Now I divided my thesis into divided this study into 6 chapters. First one is introduction, in which I briefly define about the insurance and life insurance and background, some background of the insurance. Second one is review of literature. Third is conceptual framework of insurance and life insurance basics. Fourth one is detail of corporate product, what is corporate product and distribution channel strategies available in insurance industries. And fifth one is analysis and data interpretation. Last one is finding, conclusion and recommendations. Now we are moving to the statement of the problem, that why does this research to be conducted? Why we are needed to conduct this research? So, for doing, suppose if the insurance company are doing the business for a long term and wants to stay in this competitive environment, they should have the value to their customers and provide the best service and satisfied delivery service. So, one of the basic criteria for the customer satisfaction is therefore that the customer knows about customer needs and their expectation. The main problem of the study is to answer the question, are group life insurance satisfied with the service delivery of the distribution channel of the insurance company in India, with much emphasis on agent and corporate agent. Here two words are very important, satisfied and service delivery. Satisfied means customer satisfied, or if the service delivery is quality wise, then it will be beneficial for the insurance industry also. The present study is concerned with the corporate product and distribution channel strategies in Indian life insurance industries. Moving on to the objective of the study. Main of the objective of the study is to assess the customer expectation, what are their customer expectation and what are the perception level towards the quality service of the distribution channel in 5 dimensions, which was given by the Persuman. For 5 dimensions: tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance and empathy. Second objective is to analyze the discrepancy gap between customer expectation and perception towards service quality of the distribution channel. What are the expectation and what are the perception, to find out the gap. Third one is to identify the dimensions of the service quality that ensure maximum satisfaction for the customer of group product in the life insurance industry. What are the dimensions? Dimension already talked about: tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance and empathy. Now, in the light of the above objectives, the following hypotheses have been formulated and tested. First one is null hypothesis. There is no difference in customer satisfaction of group life insurance between agent and corporate agent. Alternatives, there is difference in customer satisfaction of group life insurance between agent and corporate agent. Second is tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy are not significant correlated. This is null hypothesis. Second, and alternatives: tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy, and are significantly correlated. Third one is the customer satisfaction of group life insurance cannot be predicted by tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. Alternatives: there is satisfaction level can be predicted by the tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. Now, coming to the scope of the study, today what is forward thinker? They have to think about the 10 years later on. Now we are moving in 2013, and now we think about the 2023, 2020. So, just because of advantage of IT and commercialization and industrialization, India demand a highly motivated, skilled and goal-oriented workforce, especially in the insurance industry also. If we are a skilled and goal-oriented workforce in insurance industry, it will for the business of the insurance industry also. Quality of service has become the watchword in what today's industry has seen, because when there is a proper quality of service for the customer, it will lead to the satisfaction of the customers. Hence, the scope of the study was to analyze quality of service provided by the distribution channel in the Indian life insurance industry for the group life insurance product. Significance of the study. There is significance of the study brought a more reliable. It brought a more reliable or scientific perspective for measuring the level of customer satisfaction with the service they deliver to the customers. Serve as a commendable source of information that brings to the light means for enhancing customer service with the service delivery. Third one, to the policy maker also, like IRDA and government also, to find this finding and result will help to provide the insight and more reliable guide to monitoring the impact of the service of life insurance companies in country. Research gap. After studies of various review literature and papers or thesis available in the library or available in the journals, I find that mostly group insurance marketing have been conducted in Western countries, but because of the importance of Asian market in the economy, because of the benefit of the insurance for employer, employees and insurance company, it is essential to explore group insurance marketing and its distribution channels in this region. To fill the gap, researcher adopted a field survey, interviews, approach to evaluate how one successful life insurance product and services. Field survey and interview approach can confine reality in great details. Because if we are talking about the services and the satisfaction, then we should have the perception and expectation for the customers. And it is only possible if we are going for the qualitative aspect. These perception and the expectation is the qualitative aspect. So we have to find through the survey, field survey and the interview approach. There are some limitation of this study, like financial and material resources inadequate. As I have already mentioned in research here that there is lack of material from group insurance marketing and its distribution channels. So there is a financial and material resources and not available, not have access to every customer of group life insurance. We cannot, within a short period of time, we cannot access every group life insurance customer for our research to fill the questionnaire. Language is another access limitation, as most of the group insurance holder cannot read or nor understand policy document. Language bar is because my target respondent is small size firms, so most of the people are not so much literate. That's why language is another limitations. In cities and studies, this means